Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Lisa Rambai, brings you the Salesian news across the globe. The priestly ordination of Dominic Savio Hyung Seo Kim, SDB, and the diaconate ordination of Joseph Yoon Min Shin were celebrated on the 15th of July in the chapel at the Salesian Provincial House in South Korea, KOR. The ordaining bishop was Bishop Job Yobi Koo, Auxiliary Bishop of the Seoul Archdiocese. Father Timothy Won Chol Choi, KOR Provincial, concelebrated. On July 15, 2023, the Salesian Press Department, led by Father Ikasit Tanha Kulthon, who is in charge of the Salesian Social Communications Commission, along with the Board of Directors of the Media Department, organized a charity concert called Happy Day, Happy Time, Reminiscent of the Beatles at the Better Music Academy, Bang Na, Bangkok, to contribute to the Don Bosco Magazine Fund and to thank the patrons of the magazine. At the beginning of the event, Mrs. King Dao Thiwa Wan Wong, a pianist extraordinaire, played the piano to lull the audience. Then Bishop Joseph Prathan Sridanusil, SDB, presided over the opening along with giving souvenirs to the benefactors of the magazine. On Sunday 9th July, Nan Lee and Ruben Du Yu made their perpetual profession as Salesians of Don Bosco in St. James Parish. Father James Gerard Broidy, Superior of the Salesian Province of Great Britain, GBR, led the ceremony, which was attended by Salesians and volunteers from various Salesian works as well as Salesian Academy, staff and parishioners. Over 90 Salesian cooperators, AESC, from the Dominican Republic gathered at the Prayer Mountain in San Victor, Mocha to participate in the 2023 retreat. This year, the central motto was Honesty as Leaven for our spiritual life, with the aim of promoting space for spiritual exploration that would help retreatants to discover themselves personally and with their honesty how to be leaven and salt to give flavor to society. Among the topics covered, Honesty in My Faith by Sister Lucila Pradilla, National Delegate, an invitation to let oneself be conquered by Jesus. Integrity by Father George Coelho, Provincial and National Delegate, an invitation to be persons of integrity, consistent, valuing the moments of Christian action. Honesty in the Family by Wilson Morales, ASC, who presented an overview of the honesty of the person, the couple and the children, showing the characteristics that a Christian who practices honesty must live. And finally, Honesty with My Vocation by Sister Padilla, who presented the particularities to which the ASC are called as committed lay people involving aspects such as groups, fraternity and solidarity. In the closing Eucharist, Father Simeon MSc, Director of the Mount of Prayer, indicated that the retreat place offers a breath of spiritual air to continue working more intensively for the kingdom of God and invited those present to pray for vocations to religious life. After the successful launch of The Voices, giving voice to the voiceless in the South Asia region, the BOSCOM delegates of the South Asia region of the Salesians of Don Bosco for communication met at Delhi Don Bosco headquarters on the 15th of July. The meeting had the august presence of Father Don Bosco Lordu Sami, the Provincial of the Salesian Province of Chennai and the Provincial in charge of social communications in the South Asia region, to listen and encourage the delegates in the fulfillment of their responsibilities. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.